Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can use effect on TikTok. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to open up my TikTok application on my mobile phone and I'm going to create new post on TikTok. I'm going to click on this plus button and then I'm going to show you how we can use TikTok effect. You can just go left like this to get the effect from TikTok, and if you want to access all effects on TikTok, you can click on all effects. Okay, I'm just going to click on all effects and I'm going to select for example the AR category. Right, you can just scroll all the way to the right around here to get more categories. I'm just going to use AR category guys. I'm gonna use this one. We have to download the AR before we use it. I think I'm gonna go with this one. Lost portal effect. Okay, this is how the effect look like, and you can just explore the effect by yourself. There are a lot of effects on TikTok you can use guys. Okay, just explore each category like this. Okay, you can also apply effect to your photo if you want. Wait, I'm just going to go back and upload my photo. I'm gonna go with this one and I'm going to click on next. Okay, and then you can go to the effect option and then select the effect for your photo like this. Okay, but it will be different effect for photo and effect for video. It will be a little different. The effect for the photos are limited. Okay, and for example, I'm just going to select the sticker effect and I'm going to click on save. Okay, and once you're ready to post your video or your photo, you just need to click on next and then you are going to click on post right here. Okay, that's easy, right? Okay guys, and that's all the way to apply effect on TikTok. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you in the next video guys.